Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask a question. The Amazonians and Cameroonians, where is Moja Moja? The man you are seeing on the screen here, where is he? I believe he is still where he is cooling off. Where is he? I want to remind everyone under the sound of my voice, but before then, I would want you to subscribe to this channel. Share it across to your neighbors so that they will also understand and be able to know what is right to do. It is not bad for someone to become a security apparatus for the state or for his people, but it is very bad for someone to come up to become an instrument of destruction to his people. Yes, this is exactly what I want to emphasize here. Moja Moja, you know him. I don't need to tell the Cameroonians, you know Moja Moja. That is, he is one of your security apparatus, one of your spies that have caught in different occasions molesting people, mutiny people. If the person is not in the army even. He has destroyed a lot of lives in the name that he was called to be a Cameroonian bee. That is a Cameroonian soldier. He used it because there is one thing they taught us when I was in the law school. I was studying law part time. He said, absolute power intoxicates absolutely. That is why you see many people go to prison. When the power intoxicates you, you will stand the time or stand the period of spending your life in prison. When you think you have the backings of the government, that they have called you to come and do one job, and you did not use your brain, you will land in jail. Likewise, the super cop in Nigeria, Abba Kyari. Now, they gave him 2 weeks to go and bury his mother few weeks ago. But today, we have not heard that Abba Kyari have been returned to the prison. If he has been returned to the prison, let us know. Where is Abba Kyari? And where is Moja Moja? These are the super cops, Nigeria and the Cameroon, who they gave power and they start misusing that power to destroy the lives of people in his place. Evil that men do lives with them. Where is Abba Kyari? The prison warder. Where is Abba Kyari that went for a burial of his mother? Where is he? Where is Abba Kyari? We want to hear and we want to know his state now. Have the court discharged his case? If he have discharged his case, we want to know where is Abba Kyari. This is exactly how Nigeria operates. Where is Abba Kyari? Everywhere is silent. Have he returned? If he have returned, I don't know. Have he returned? Where is Abba Kyari? Moja Moja, where is Moja Moja? I know he's still cooling down somewhere. I want someone to tell me about Moja Moja. If you are a cop, if you are a police, you are an army. That is what I want to emphasize here. When you are given power, don't misuse that power. Use it for good so that there will be a step, there will be a footprint that will make people to remember this is your full footprint and follow you. We follow what is right. We don't follow what is not right. These two people, they think they have tried for the country, but what they have done is why they have gone to jail. You can see in Nigeria, when a traffic warden comes to the traffic, he is given authority to control the traffic. But when they come, what they do, what good number of those wicked ones do, is to start impounding people's vehicle, forcing people illicitly You can hear the one that was the woman that was shouting it the other day, help, help, help. I don't know where he want carry me they go. I don't know where they carry me go. This is one of the frustrations they have put to people. The person who he caught may not be against, they may have not committed any traffic offense, but because he want to extort something from him and he refused, he carried her, was moving. Many incidents have happened. A vehicle carrying a policeman in front of the panel, in front of the screen, and be zooming away because absolute power intoxicates them absolutely. Many have died, many have been crushed by vehicle because they think the power that was given to them is to do what is not right. A policeman, can you stay without collecting bribe? If you can, kudos to you. But it is very hard for a police officer to engage the public without collecting bribe in Nigeria, in Cameroon, in Kenya, in Uganda, in Somalia, in Zambia, in South Africa. African police is so gummed with such activities. Go to Dubai, you can't see a policeman collect bribe from you. He must take you to the office and take you to the appropriate authority. If you will pay fine, you pay it there. But I will not blame them so much. But irrespective, I don't blame them. What is right is right. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell button so that you'll be getting notification whenever we post anything here. If you like what I am doing, support me by sharing this across to people. But if you don't like what I am doing, you don't like the truth, you don't like this, you are a policeman, don't like, go and hug transformer. The Lord, God's word must be spoken. And the mouthpiece of the heavenly God is speaking through his utterance. God bless you till some other time, and make sure you subscribe.